This might be a little bit slippery though.
Yeah. Well, when I was stepping out the bathroom.
Yeah, just slow down here just to let these people pass. So you don't want to get sandwiched in between. There we go, that's good. So you just kind of slow it down, let them pass so that you can go around the vehicle.
Do I have to like stop or just...
No, not necessarily.
Just go slow?
You just kind of time it. As if you see the car parked just up ahead and you notice that the car in front of you is going to reach the parked car before you do, you just slow it down a little bit. At the tires, right? Winter noises. We're going to go straight at the lights. Might be a little polished at this intersection. Yeah, just line yourself up so that you go directly across the intersection.
Right here?
If you look across the road, yeah. Right here's good. When you don't see the lanes, you just line yourself up so you're straight across from an intersection like this, but this one's not offset. Some of them are offset, so it all depends.
Yeah.
We're heading over to the fake road test center. Princess Auto parking lot.
Okay. I guess you know your video, so I wouldn't go there.
Yeah, that's where we start.
Yeah.
Because we're not allowed in the road test center for practice. Yeah.
So what do you do at the... Oh yeah, I guess we do... Oh, never mind. I guess I answered my question. Because I was going to say, don't we park at the driving test, but it's closed. Well, you can't park there.
Yeah, during business hours, they don't want us in there.
Yeah.
We slow them down.